Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, B, and I know it's been a while since I've done a brow video, but I'm back. So I got a tip from a subscriber. I will put the information in the description box. She told me about this product, and it is from Mad Love. This is the box. And it is an eyebrow stamp. So this is not my first time using this. I actually used it the other day for the first time. But I'm gonna show you guys what it does, how it works, and what I think about it, okay? So the first thing in this kit, this box, it comes with this little bag. This bag is filled up with 5 stencils. What I like about these are the shapes are actually really cute. Now, no, they do not all fit my face. However, they are very, very, very cute. So this is number 1. This I thought initially was gonna be the one for my brow, but once I actually tried it out, it was all right. It's cute. It's actually really cute. Just wasn't for me. This is number 2. This is like nice and thin, nice arch. I actually think this is very similar to what I already have for my regular brows. I might actually try this one day. I'm gonna put it to the side. This is number 3. Love this one. This is so pretty, but I just don't think it's a fit for my face. This is number 4. Let me see. Yeah, I like that one. That's cute. I like that one a lot. Let me see. I don't know, 4. Okay, let me just show them to y'all, then I'll figure it out. And then this is number 5. I like this one as well, but that's just not the one I'm going for. So I'm gonna say between 2 and 4. One of these is my favorite. I think I'm gonna go with 2 today just because it looks the most similar to my normal brow. And I washed my face this morning and that's pretty much it. I ain't did nothing to my face. I put a little lotion, but that's about it. So it also comes with a spoolie. I'm gonna go ahead and brush up these eyebrows. Don't mind my lashes, y'all. It's time for a refill. I'm gonna go ahead and brush these up. Let's see. All right, so that is what comes in the kit. It also comes with like a little book that gives you directions, and it gives you a coupon code and some free shipping. It also gives you a way to contact them if you're having any issues. And the most important piece is this beautiful stamp. So the subscriber girl, I'm sorry, I need to find a comment so I can shout her out. She told me to get medium brown. And I was like, yes, medium brown. I love medium brown. But then I was on the website and I was like, ooh, brunette looks real cute too. So I ordered brunette, and I should have listened to her and got medium brown. Brunette is darker than what I would have liked, but that's okay though. So when you open it up, guys, it twists open. It has like a little stamp mechanism, and you basically, it's super, super simple. You're just gonna line it up with your tail of your eyebrow and then find your arch and then hold it down. And I started at the tip, pressed a little harder at the tip, and then as I came to the front, I'm not so heavy with it. And to me, that kind of gives you that ombre brow, and it just looks natural to me. So I'm gonna take it off. Y'all see that? That took all of 2 seconds. So I'm gonna get closer. Ooh, y'all, y'all be talking about my skin, but my skin ain't looking too hot today. Let me get closer. You see that? That look good, y'all. That look real good. Oh yes, honey. All right, so tip. This is what I learned when I tried the first time. Make sure you wipe this off, because if you don't wipe this off, y'all, it's gonna be on, because you just take this brow and then you just flip it and you put it on the side. So just make sure that you wipe that off before you get started. So I'm wiping it off and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. So I'm gonna once again line this up with the edge of my brow. Oh, that one is perfect. And then I'm gonna hold it down. I don't think you have to, but I go ahead and dip mine back in the container, just like that, and then I just untwist it back. And then I started the tail once again, pressing kind of hard, and then I just lighten up as I come closer to the front, and then I do it another time. Did I miss a spot? There we go. Y'all see that? That's cute. It's a little thinner than what I would like, but I think it's like, this is a win, y'all. I wore these brows the first time for a full day. Did this in the morning, actually in the car on my way to work, y'all. Don't judge me. And packed up my classroom, came home, and brows was still on. So I think that this is definitely a winner. I'm not sure how it does transfer a little bit, not much, but it's very little, like very, very, very little. Y'all probably can't even see it, but it does transfer just a little bit. And if for some reason like this tail is too much, like y'all can see this tail's a little bit darker, you literally can take your spoolie and just whoop whoop, and you know. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna come back all cute and stuff, and then I'm gonna let y'all see the final product. But definitely, yes, look at me. I'm loving this. I am, and it's so quick and easy. So all right, y'all, I'm back. I ain't doing nothing spectacular, but take my ponytail out and put a little lip liner on. So, you know, and I did touch up a little under my eyes because your girl is sleepy. But this is probably how I'm gonna go out for the day. I'm just keeping it real. So y'all see these brows? I'm actually loving them. So I'll be back very, very soon because I want to do a top 3 brow video for you guys. I've been promising this, and now I'm at home, so I got time to film videos. I'm off now, so I'm gonna do a video this week, and I'll probably post it in another week or 2 of my top 3 brow products. All of you who have those struggle brows, make sure that you turn on your post notifications and thumbs up this video and comment below and let me know what you think of these brows. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.